Guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, thank you so much for being here, and don't forget to press on the subscribe button and click the post notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload another video. So I'm back. Okay, I know I'm always saying I'm back each and every time, but I hope this time I'm back for good. Okay, because wow, I've been the most inconsistent person on YouTube. And I know I need to be consistent. I know I need to produce content for you guys. But yeah, I'm back. Okay, so let's get into the video. Today I'm doing an apartment hunting video. I know it's kind of like new to this channel or whatever, but like I decided to do it and just take you through my apartment hunting journey so that you know how the apartments I'm going for and what I end up getting if I feel like I should. Yeah, but I think I should share guys an apartment tour, an empty apartment tour, and just I don't know, I think we should just take it from here. So yeah, without further ado, without talking too much, let's just get right into the video. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Okay guys, so this is the first apartment that we saw. It's not really like an apartment, it's like a bachelor's, and he just showed us, okay, this is the guy who was showing us the place. He just showed us this bachelor's because it was like downstairs. So yeah, he was just like, okay, let me show you what it looks like. It's really spacious, it's really big. I really didn't get the setup though. I don't know, it was just like weird because the wardrobe is, yeah, I don't know. So this is the second place. Okay, this is like, it's the same building, but upstairs this is like a 2-bedroom. We're looking for a 1-bedroom, but like the other 1-bedrooms are exactly like this, the kitchen, and this is the lounge area, and yeah, that is the sink, and that is the bedroom. Like the first bedroom is quite smaller but really big, but it's smaller than the other one. The other one is really big. It has like a balcony and stuff. Oh my god, I was like really in love with this kitchen. That's why I was just saying yeah. And that is me, and that is the bathroom. It's really nice, really big. Yeah, it's really beautiful. And then that is the other bedroom. The second bedroom is really nice with a balcony outside. That is the balcony. It's really beautiful, it's really nice. Okay, this, I'm just going through everything to just see. Yeah, I'm just checking everything out. He was explaining like, okay, you can take out the shower and you can just use it. You can take it off and you can put it on. You can use it at the top, or you can just take it, yeah, just like that. But I really love the bathroom, guys. It's really beautiful, it's really smart, it's really spacious, and that is the corridor. It's really beautiful. It's really beautiful. Okay, this is the 2-bedroom, and I'm gonna show you guys the 1-bedroom. Okay, this is the 1-bedroom. This is outside the bar area, and then you get in. That is the kitchen. Okay, there are like buckets. I think they were still renovating this space. So that is the kitchen. Like they look mostly the same. That is the bathroom, as you can see, the kitchen, and that is the bedroom. So it's like a 1-bedroom apartment. That is the bathroom. Mostly like the bathrooms are the same, they don't look different. Okay, now this is the second building that we went to. It's another like Argent, and I don't know. Okay, let me just show you guys. But I really wasn't a fan of open cupboards. Like I really don't like open cupboards, so I don't know how I feel about them. But yeah, that was the entrance. That is the lounge area. That was the kitchen. Like it's a little bit small, and that is the bathroom. And yeah, it's really not much to it. That is the bedroom. It also has like open cupboards, so when you fold your clothes, when you put your clothes, I don't know, I just don't like seeing my things when, yeah. So yeah guys, let me just let you enjoy the video. Yeah, There's nothing much. Okay, you can see from here, like this is the kitchen, and yeah, that is just, and that is the bathroom. So there is nothing more to this one. I don't know, I really didn't like this one. Even the walls, you can see the geyser is up there. I really didn't like the sit up. I really didn't like the I didn't like the location, the setup, the color, and the cupboards. Nah, I don't know. I just didn't like. So that, excuse me, I saw, but I really didn't. Okay, that is the bedroom, and then that is the kitchen with the lounge area, and then the bathroom, just like that. And then the entrance is by the right. Okay, now I'm just re-showing you guys what everything looks like. But I really wasn't a fan of okay, this is another bedroom. I've forgotten. This is another bedroom. Yeah, and that is the third apartment or the third place that we went to. I really like this clean kitchen. Okay, there were bottles and stuff. I don't know, maybe they were partying or whatever, but like, yeah, well, so yeah, that is the bathroom. Um, yeah, like this space is really nice, guys. It's really beautiful. I really liked it. There's nothing I didn't like about this place. So yeah, I think you will see on the final video which one I chose or which one we chose, and maybe I'll do an empty apartment tour. So yes, guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.